All right, guys, so today I got a 30-inch lace front wig, okay, 250 density. So I'm going to show you guys how we styled it two different ways. We wand curled it, and then we did a wet and wavy.
This is Bambi. It's been a minute since Breezy did my hair, y'all. I've been getting braids and shit. So your girlfriend hooked me up. Been going to her since 2014. So, hey, a bitch, hey, finna show out, okay?
What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Wiggins Hair, for sponsoring this video with this 30-inch, okay, not 22, not 24, not 26, not 28, 30-inch loose deep wave wig. Now, this is a 250 density wig, so y'all already know what that means. It's thick. Now, the Wiggins hair company is not new to my channel at all. I have worked with them at least like 4 or 5 times in the past, and I will say I've never had a problem with their wigs being too thin, shedding excessively, or tangling, and my models never told me anything about it either. Like, because, you know, they're the ones that have to wear the wig and actually see, you know, what the longevity is talking about. I don't know what the wigs do once my models leave my house. So I always take my models and my clients' opinion about the wigs into consideration. And I will say, from feeling the wig right now, I can tell my client is not gonna have no problems with it. But if she ever so does, then she'll let me know and I'll let y'all know. All right, so when I received the wig in the mail, it just comes all 1B, right? In its natural curl pattern. But y'all know I be having to do my little my little twist on it. So I added a platinum patch on the side, Wiz Khalifa style, okay? So this was really easy. I just did this with a BW2 bleach with a 40 volume, and I did 2 processes. Now, I know y'all are thinking, how did you get that hair that blonde with only 2 processes? But I'm gonna tell y'all the secret. So one thing I learned a long time ago, okay, one of my coworkers, Coco, she was a stylist at Salon Ramsey years ago, and she basically told me, when you mix your bleach, add a little bit, well, not a little bit, kind of like a good amount of clarifying shampoo. Now, she said the shampoo is going to keep moisture in the bleach, so it keeps on lifting and lifting without drying out. So what I did was, in my bleach, I add like a nice amount, not too much, you know, but a nice amount of Dawn dish detergent liquid. Now, why did I choose Dawn? I don't know, but all I know is that it has an effect on the bleach that is like no other. Like, it allows the bleach to not dry up quick, and it allows the hair to lift like a lot more than it would without the shampoo or the soap or whatever. So yes, try it at home and let me know if it works for y'all. And after I did the 2 bleach processes, I did a shampoo with Shimmer Lights. So what Shimmer Lights is, it's a purple-based shampoo that really eliminates all the gold and orange tones out the blonde and gets it like as light and as, I guess I should say, ashy as possible. Like, the lighter you get the hair, the more platinum it'll look once you put the Shimmer Lights on there. But because I didn't get it like a white platinum, it still has like a yellowy gold tone to it, but it was way more yellow before I used that Shimmer Light. So y'all need to get that too if you want to get your blondes blonder and more ashy. So right now I'm taking my comb and separating the baby hair, and I'm not going to mold the baby hair right now. First, I'm going to pluck the part so I can make it a little bit more distinct. Then we're going to put a little bit more setting foam on the hair to make it flat and keep it out the way. Then we can cut and style our baby hair. Now, I ain't gonna lie, okay? Lately, I've been bleaching my knots like too much, like not too much where it's too light, but it always seeps through the lace and gets on the roots of the hair, and it be turning the roots blind. And y'all, I have to add semi-permanent black rinse on the part almost every time now. I don't know why this is happening. Like, I used to be so good at bleaching knots. I don't get it. But I'm going to try to make the bleach a little bit more thicker and not try to like push it through the lace like I normally do, and see if that makes a difference. But I don't think it's a problem that I touch it up with the black rinse, but I didn't have to do this like before. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm going wrong. So clearly my model don't see nothing wrong. Okay, period. So right now we're taking our comb and trimming the baby hair so we can style. And today I'm going to be using Got to Be glue. And once again, like sometimes I use Got to Be glue to mold the baby hair. Sometimes I use the setting foam. It really just depends. But normally, I would say normally at least like 85% of the time, I use the Got to Be gel because it just holds it. Like, it holds the baby hairs for days, and it still looks clean. It doesn't flake up over time. And I really, really love this product. All right, this first blonde swoop, it has a little bit of black hair on it, so you can tell, the shape of the swoop, but I can already tell these last two are gonna be damn near invisible, but hey, I'm just gonna do it anyway. All right, baby hair is done, and now I'm going to wrap them with a black wrap. And before putting her under the dryer, I'm just gonna go ahead and start styling her hair. So what she wants is like loose wand curls. So what I'm going to do is blow dry these curls out the most I can. Now, when I first saw the wig, I'm not gonna lie, I think I underestimated the curl pattern. Like, for some reason, I probably thought the wig was like body wave, but now that I look at it, the curls are kind of like curly. So hopefully, these wand curls stay, because sometimes when you try to put curls in deep wave hair, it kind of just turns poofy. But we're gonna see what happens, and if anything, then we'll just wet the hair down and change the entire style, which I'm not planning to do, but if we have to, just to get the best look, then I'm just gonna do what I gotta do. All right, so I definitely want these curls to come out the best they possibly can, so I'm spraying every single piece with hairspray, and I'm going to pin the curls up so they can set nice. All right, so most of the curls are done. Now let's rip off this black wrap and see what this hairline is looking like, what these baby hairs looking like, and they're looking good, okay? So one thing I want to tell you guys, okay, is I tried something different with my lace. I did a heart-shaped hairline this time. So I normally do, or sometimes I do widow's peaks, in my laces or the shape of the lace. But this time I really did a pronounced widow's peak in a heart-shaped hairline. And I did the baby hairs, on the top little corners to exaggerate the widow's peak. And I love it. And the more I watch other stylists and improve my technique and, take little things from different people and different ideas, it's I really, my style is evolving, and I like it. Like, even though I'm not like in the hair game, like I'm still kind of in it. You know, I'm still able to improve my skills and change up my style and keep on evolving, which I love. All right, y'all, moment of truth. All right, so let's go ahead and check out these pin curls so we can see what these curls is talking about. And I already know, like, we are going for a big voluminous look. So I'm going to pull these curls out with a wide tooth comb or a paddle brush, and we're gonna see. So nowadays, I've been like addicted to doing that wave or that hump at the top, you know, for that volume. So I'm still trying to perfect this technique. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I never did it like my whole career. So it's like I'm finally starting to try to perfect it now. So, you know what I'm saying? If y'all have any advice for me to do what y'all know I'm trying to do right now, let me know in the comments, because I'm trying to perfect that. All right, so this is the final result for the wand curls, and I love the idea. Like, I love the idea. I love the poofiness. I love the volume and the waves, but it just really wasn't hitting the way I thought it would. So I told Bambi to come back the next day so we can try a different style. And she did. Thank goodness. So here we are now, and we're going to take our spray bottle, spray the whole wig down, add our products, and see what it looks like wet and wavy. All right, so this wig is so thick and luxurious. This water couldn't even reach the bottom of the wig. So I have to split it up in sections and wet the sections one by one. Then we're gonna put it all together at the end. All right, cool. So the wig is nice and wet, and I combed it out thoroughly, and I added my Cantu leave-in conditioner. Now, it is like a thick, creamy, moisturizing hair lotion that I love using on curly hair because it keeps the curls looking hydrated and juicier for a long time, like rather than just putting water on your curls. All right, so now I'm taking my blow dryer and drying it a little bit so we can get a little bit of that volume back. Okay, let's see this second look. Wow, I really like the wet and wavy. So this is the final result, you guys, and I love it. You know what I'm saying? I say that a lot, but that's just because I love all my hairstyles. So once again, thank you so much, Wiggins, for sponsoring this video with this loose deep wave 30-inch lace front wig. All right, so if you guys want this exact unit without the blonde, of course, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications, and let me know in the comments if you like the big poofy, voluminous wand curls, or if you like the wet deep wave or the wet, wet and wavy look. So let me know in the comments and let's have a discussion. Okay, see y'all later.